Okay, I wanted to share how I installed the Power Watchdog device in my 2021 Jayco Precept 34G. As you can see, coming from up here is where the power line came, and it continued on all the way to the end, which I got plugged in over here. What I needed to do was cut it in, basically cut it in half, and then the one end here I had to splice in, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4 terminals, screw terminals that you screw it into, and then the same thing on the other side. You can see the wires. There's the black, white, red, and green, and then you can see the screw terminals. This here is pretty stable, doesn't move. This here, since it's a cable that you use to power, and then there's quite a bit of it. I put a clamp in here to hold the cable so it's not yanking in place, and then I just put some electrical tape around here to help protect it a little bit. The one thing I like about this device is that you don't have to worry about anyone stealing it, because you can lock it up in your storage bay. The other thing too, it's got a nice little Bluetooth app, so you can, if you do get an error or anything, you can pull it up on your phone and see what's going on. I haven't really had many issues with it. I did plug it in a couple times where I would get under or over voltage, so it's nice to have that additional protection, and you can monitor things like that. But so far I'm happy. I've had it for almost let me see, I installed it probably November 2020, so over 2.5 years now. It's working great. So thank you. Please subscribe and like this video. Thank you.